Hello kids, I'm Sharmin Schiller. Today I'm going to draw a jellyfish. I love jellyfish. This is so cute. Jellyfish draw very simple and easy. Kids, do you like jellyfish? You can draw with me.
Turn around, quick as a flash, it's fun to find. Swimming with glee and joy to be.
I draw jellyfish eyes. Wow, this is so cute. So kids, if you enjoying my video, please subscribe my channel.
Playing games with fins all flinging. Underwater world, so bright and wide. Baby shark always by their side.
So many colors, kids. So let's paint together and learn many colors' name. This is pink color. I love pink color. Kids, do you like pink color? I'm sure you also love pink color. Wow, this is so cute. Kids, this is really nice and easy. So kids, do you like my videos? Please subscribe my channel. This is orange color. Kids, do you like this color? I also love orange color. And this is yellow color. Next color is green. Kids, you don't like green color. You can use another one. So this is red one. I love it. This is very shiny and beautiful. And last one is blue color. Wow, this is so cute. Jellyfish is so cute. Thanks for watching this video, kids.